Hello there, everybody. I'm Josh Korick, and this is your Blue Edge Energy weekly market snapshot. You can remember to follow us on Facebook, check us out on LinkedIn, watch more videos like this on our YouTube channel, or just go visit our website, blueedgeenergy.com. So let's just go ahead and jump right into this. Now, the current prompt month that we're facing January right now. The natural gas price is trading at $2.50.7 a decatherm. I repeat, $2.50. That's down 21.3 cents from 2 weeks ago here today. Now, meanwhile, December, which we are in the month right now, settled off and rolled off the books at $2.89.6 per decatherm. When we look to the calendar strip 2021, assuming equal volumes again, the current price is $2.56.4 a decatherm. This is a change down of 15.8 cents from 2 weeks ago as well. When we look at the winter after this, 2021-2022, the price is at $2.82.5, down 13.8 cents from 2 weeks ago. The 2022 calendar strip price is $2.58 a decatherm, down 11.6 cents from 2 weeks ago. And last, when we look at the winter, two out beyond this, 2022-2023, gas is at $2.72.3, down 11.7 cents from where we were 2 weeks ago alone. Everything has been pushed down, and in the front prompt months, things have really been pushed down. Why is that? Well, let's talk about the EIA storage report. It had a measly 1 BCF withdrawal from ground storage, which is way below what was expected for this week and in previous years. And that shows when we look at current inventories being at 3,939 BCF, we're plus 343 above last year and plus 290 above the 5-year average. If you look at the graph that we're showing you right now about the storage chart, you can see it's like a flat line going across as we jump into winter so far and why we've had this lower pricing. In our regional pricing in Chicago right now, we're at $2.62 a decatherm. That's up 10.5 cents since last week. And for our friends on the western part of the state, Northern Natural Gas in Ventura, we're trading at $2.55.5, up 38.5 cents since last week. Now let's take a moment and talk about the weather here in Wisconsin. The Wisconsin short-term weather forecast is calling for seasonal temperatures with highs generally in the mid to upper 30s and overnights in the mid 20s at this point in time. Kind of average for where we're at. Now meanwhile, when we look at the national 8 to 14 day forecast, it's calling for normal temperatures across much of the nation with below normal temperatures forecasted for the Rockies and the Pacific Northwest. So let's take a little time to talk about commentary. What is going on in the marketplace right now? Well, the key word is volatility. That single word defines what we have seen in the natural gas market during the last 2 weeks alone. The December gas contract, after some wild ups and downs last month, ended its trading session at about $2.90, and it was all over the map going up into that. The January gas contract, which posted highs of $3 on the same day of that close, is now plummeted all the way down to what we see today, $2.50.7. The primary driver, it's the storage report from the EIA with that minus 1 BCF withdrawal from inventory. So if one looks at our graph once again, you can see how this is so abnormal from previous years. And you can see how unusual this withdrawal is compared to previous years like last year and the 5-year average. By this point in the winter, we usually see signs of gas storage being drawn down. Combine that with the fact that historically strong gas inventory we started this winter with, and one can understand the overwhelming bearish sentiment in today's market. It just makes sense given that report. So here's some more commentary. It is interesting in that just yesterday, we were on a conference call with BP and their gas analysts who were quite bullish both from a technical and a fundamental perspective. While acknowledging that gas producers in the Northeast have ramped up their production recently, it was noted that industrial, commercial, and LNG export demand has recently been very, very strong. Even before this big downward price movement that we saw here today, U.S. natural gas was globally cheap, which resulted in a lot of LNG being shipped out in the month of November, which is one reason why the EIA report again is just such a shocker. We've sent so much gas overseas. Gas has also moved into the money for the power generators, thus has increased their expectation for demand from that sector. But as we have commented time and time again, the weather is the 800-pound gorilla in the room, and right now the bears rule the market until we see some significant cold weather coming in or a major decrease in inventory. So guys, thanks for tuning in. It's been a wild ride in the market here in the last couple days. On behalf of Blake, TJ, Karen, and myself, we wish you a wonderful weekend. We'll talk to you next week. Take care.